and welcome to day 9 of 12 days of digitals. I have Julie's adorable Santa Clauses here. Aren't they so fun? I love this one where he's painting the house, and then matched with my day 9, which has the red and white. Hello and welcome back. Today is day 9 of 12 days of digitals. And today we're using this really cute Santa one from Julie's kit with the fun Santas. I love the one with him painting the dollhouse. Adorable. And it's paired with mine with the red and white striped tags and postcards and then itty bitty pieces. All right, so day 9. I have my goodies and my little Ziploc. Oh, and here comes the puppy dogs. Hold on, let me shut the door. Come on. Are they coming? In, out, in. All right. So, okay, I'm back. First the dogs and the sun. Oh my goodness. Okay. What was I saying? Here are my pieces all cut out. And what I want to do for today is I want to make an over the page reversible tag. One that you can kind of either flip this way or this way. So, I have them all inked and cut, but I did not back them yet with coffee dyed paper. And since we're gonna see both sides, I should put some coffee dyed paper on them. Whoops. It's crazy to think that we're already at day 9. Guess I should do some Christmas shopping. Oh gosh. Definitely different this year since it's going to be online shopping. So we have one dog in the room and we have one dog out of the room, and the one that's out of the room wants to come in the room. Oh my goodness. They come in? Fitz? Come on. All right, everyone's in. So for this one, I think I want to make these tags shaped. However, I'm going to cut off the cute little corners. But I'm going to use my little guide. And I'll do the same to this one. Okay, here we are. Okay, so we're gonna have these. I might have it like this, or maybe we'll have both facing out. We'll see. All right, so then when we flip, I was thinking we could use these pieces to make a tuck spot. might just cut off all my glue that I just put on there. Oh, goodness. All right. Okay, and then on this one, maybe we use this guy as our tuck. Oh, and then I'm going to trim the rest of this off. Okay. So then we need a little bit more, I think, in that corner. Maybe we could fussy cut this wreath out. I'm gonna ink. Try not to be messy. However, I am being very messy. All right, keep my parts all organized here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think that'll look cute there. This lace is screaming at me saying, use me. So let's add some lace maybe down here. Cute. It's pretty lace. And then we'll stick this guy on. Showing down, just hanging down just a little bit. Okay, what next? So it's gonna go like this, and then this can flip up. All right, I think we're ready to add our little hinge. This is a piece of, it was wired ribbon, and it's from Hobby Lobby. I took out the ribbon, the wire, not the ribbon, but the wire. I think I'm gonna trim off the piece that the wire was in, just so it will lie flat. And then this piece is gonna be our hinge on top. So I'll put a little glue here. And I want a little space up above. And then flip it around and have a little glue here with a little space. then we'll use this other piece just to make it nice and secure on the inside. Oops, come on, ribbon. It's not fabric, so it's a little more stiff, so it may take a minute. Guess I'll just leave it flat for a second. Okay, I'll probably stitch around, but we need to, let's see, take a look and embellish the front and the back of our cards, and I was thinking that's where these little guys could come in. We also have our Santa. I glanced at that out of the corner of my eye and I thought it said Pluto. I'm like, what? Cara, why would you make something that said Pluto? It doesn't. You want these down here? Don't really want to cover up a Merry Christmas. Let's see about this side. I don't know, I don't want to cover up the pictures. They're so cute. So there, that's working. I want something over here. Be this. No, because it's a Merry Christmas. Maybe it can go up here like that. This is a little off center, but I'm okay with it. Stick that up there. And then we need our little tags to go in. Trim a little bit off the bottom of this one. I need to punch. Sorry, I'm reaching across. Punch my hole. My reds don't match. Maybe this one instead. So it might be too short. And then what are we gonna tuck in over here? That might be too big, so maybe these two. Stick this one and that one. There, and then we could fold it that way and it could go over the page or this way. All right, I'm gonna stitch. I'll be right back. Okay, here's my stitching. I think it looks cute. I didn't stitch down here because I kind of didn't want to mess up the lace, but I think it still looks all right. Super cute. All right, let's put, and then I stitched around this little guy. And then I left these two just like this. Those can go in there. And then we have a few more pieces. thinking I could corner around this one. Him up a little bit. Let's see, do I have a journal? I'm making my December daily. It's not a real like junk journal, but we'll still get the same idea. I want to do the over the page. So I can just go like that. You might need a paper clip to kind of help hold it down, or it can be flipped and go like that. That's really fun. I like it. Okay, so we have that guy all finished. And then what do we have left? We have a postcard, a tag, and our Santa. Okay, kind of cute right like that, huh? I think I'm gonna do it. It's cute. All right, so we have a journaling card. And I was gonna say, I thought I had more of the red ribbon, because I think that would be cute at the top of this tag. Okay, I'm gonna stitch across and be right back. Okay, that was super fast. How about we just embellish this with these. These guys can kind of tuck in right here. Done that a few times. I love that, where you just have itty bitty things tucked in. Super cute. Oh, and then we have Santa. So maybe Santa can go down here. There we go. That's cute. All right, so we have our 3 items from, what is it, day 9? Awesome. All right, thanks so much. Come back for day 10. All right, have a great crafty day. Bye-bye.